speed up the wood grubs so they can fix the cracks with slime super fast to stop the castle falling down. I need your help. It's time to do the Super Slime Go spell. Are you ready? 3, 2, go! Right, copy me into your spell pose. Circle your hands up. Reach forward and touch the floor. Walk your hands forwards, put your tummy on the floor, arms out. Lift your arms 1, 2, 3 times. Hands back. Draw circles on the floor like you're spreading slime. 1, 2, 3 times. Push up. Kneel back. Hop your feet underneath you and jump up. Great. Same moves again. Circle up. Reach forward. Touch the floor. Walk out. Tummy flat. Arms out. Lift your arms. 1, 2, 3 times. Hands back. Circle arms. 1, 2, 3 times. Push up. Kneel back. Hop and jump. Now clap and say Super Slime Go to send the magic to me. Super Slime Go! Thanks for your help. With the cracks fixed, the caverns won't fall in, so the castle will stay standing.
Well done, Tom. You saved us all.
I couldn't have done